Now it's time to learn the capital and lowercase letter P. Both the capital and lowercase letter P are very similar to the print letter P. I'll show you how to make the capital first. Here we go. Okay, so there's your letter P. Now here it is step by step. You're going to start near the middle line, and you're going to rock up to the top, make a slant line down to the bottom line, retrace that line back up to the top, curve around. There is your capital letter P. Let's do it one more time. Starting at the middle line, rock up to the top line, make a slant line down to the bottom, retrace up to the top, curve around, and there is your letter P. Okay, so your lowercase letter P is going to be a little bit different than your capital letter P, and a little bit different than what you're used to with print. Let me show you first, and let's see if you can pick out the difference. Okay, so did you notice how I went up to the top line here? That's the big difference with your letter P. So let's do it step by step. You're going to start down at the bottom line. You're going to rock all the way up to the top line. You're going to retrace that back down to the bottom line and past the bottom line. And you're going to retrace that back up to the middle and roll around. There you go. And then you can finish that off like that. Okay, so see how it looks a little bit different? Let's do it one more time. So starting at the bottom line, rock up all the way to the top, keeping your slant, retrace back down to the middle. Then there, you're going to go down to the bottom, past the bottom, retrace back up to the middle, rock around, and finish it off. There is your lowercase letter P. It's a little tricky. So now let's put the capital and lowercase P's together. Let's break it down step by step. Remember, we're starting at our middle line. We're rocking up to the top line, keeping your slant down to the bottom, retrace up back to the top and rock around. From here, we're actually going to go straight up to the top line, bring it down to the bottom line, past the bottom line, retrace back up to the middle, rock around, and finish. There you go. See, it's a little bit different when you combine the letters together. Let's do it again. Starting at the middle line, rock up to the top, bring your slant line down to the bottom line, retrace back up to the top, roll around, and then again you're going to go straight up to the top line, retrace it back down to the middle, continue your line to the bottom line, go past the bottom line, retrace back up to the middle, curve around, and there you go. Let's do it one more time. It can be a little tricky with your lowercase P. Starting at the middle line, rock up, down to the bottom, retrace back up, roll around, then you're going to go straight up to the top line, retrace back down to the middle, down to the bottom, go a little bit further, retrace back up to the middle, round, and finish your letter off. There you go. You have your capital and lowercase letter P. They're a little tricky, so keep practicing and use the worksheets as a tool to help you.